one of the things that Anne has been involved with, among many, is this whole program she calls Manufacturing 4.0, and it is a consortium of 4 industrial/production employers, 4 school districts, to inspire young people around careers in manufacturing and advanced manufacturing and Industry 4.0, and just as important, give them the skills necessary to be successful when they get there. So our question for Anne was really to tell us about that program, about the opportunity for those students to earn SACA certifications, and about the project itself. And here's what Anne had to say.
Hello, thanks for this opportunity to share about Manufacturing 4.0. My name is Anne Troka, and I'm the Community Engagement Manager at Sargento Foods. We started our work with Manufacturing 4.0 a few years ago, and we looked at what our current employees would need, but also what our future talent needs to become aware and excited about careers in manufacturing at Sargento. We started conversations with other businesses, with education partners, and brainstorming ideas of how we could bring it to life for future talent. And one of the ideas that actually we started building was with 4 schools and 4 businesses got together and started building this partnership of how we could help students, our future workforce, connect with our businesses to really get skills that we need and skills that the students will need as well to make them employable in a variety of different careers, because Manufacturing 4.0 is in manufacturing as well as many other industries as well. So as we started building the partnership, we worked, as I said, with 4 high schools, 4 different businesses. We also partnered with Inspire, and we partnered with Lakeshore Technical College. And through those conversations, we built 4 different classes, and we actually then moved on to a 5th class. So we have Mechatronics A, Mechatronics B, Industrial Controls, and Robotics. And currently we're building the Internet of Things course with manufacturing, the cross-function of manufacturing and IT. The first 4 classes are really giving students skills that our current employees, that we're working on upskilling our current employees as well, because so much of our manufacturing environment is becoming much more automated. So we'll need people, but the people won't do the repetitive or heavy work. They'll be doing more of the complex work, which the robots will do the heavy and repetitive work. And then our people will be working with automation and technology and artificial intelligence. And as they do that, we wanted to give them the skills that they need through these 4 classes. And looking at it, we also had one of our team members, Bruce Wisniewski, who sat on the SACA certification committee. And we realized through conversations with LTC that the 4 classes that we're building for high school, we can eventually roll each of them to become certified classes where students can take the SACA certification and have that they could put that on their resume when they're applying for jobs. So to bring the program to life, we did think about how it would look in a high school setting. And we worked together, the 8 partners, and we built a curriculum for each of the 4 classes. Then we partnered together and pooled resources and also applied for grants through the state of Wisconsin. And we were able to purchase in each of the buildings and also use equipment to rotate among the 4 different partners, different buildings. In addition, we worked in a classroom guest visit from each of our 4 companies and also an on-site career visit. Lastly, we connected the courses to full-time employment opportunities and entry-level positions that required a high school diploma and 18 years old. So we really connected with the students to show them, who our employees were by coming into their classroom. This year, due to pandemic, we did it virtually, but we hope in the next school year we can do that on site and in person. The equipment that they're touching really shows them the skills that they're going to need and the technology they'll be using. And then when they come on site to visit our company, they actually see that equipment much larger scale and how it's used in the real world. And then again, we connect them to people in positions such as production utility, what that role, what that position looks like, what our employees, what they're excited about within that career path. So those students can get excited about their future as well. And then if they choose to go on to technical college or university, we also stay in touch with them. Throughout the program, we call them mentor circles. And as the students going on for their continuing education, hopefully stay connected to their mentor, and then we can connect them at the right time for the student and at the right time for Sargento. We're really connecting education to success.